This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, I'm taking you on my imaginary boat, heading to Bourg l'Abbé Street at 30. Here, we are in the Saint-Nicaise district, located in the northeast of the city and near the Saint-Ouen Abbey. It is the unusual site of the Corneille chapel that I am going to tell you about today. First of all, you should know that this chapel once bore another name, that of the St. Louis Church. The unusual aspect of this chapel lies in the different uses of this place. Indeed, after having been a place of worship for a long time, this chapel became in 1793 a fodder depot, that is to say that there was a mixture of plants used for feeding farm animals. A few years later, in 1799, the church served as a repository for the city's paintings, making it the first fine arts museum in Rouen. Poorly maintained, this church was about to be demolished in 1895 to enlarge the secondary school located next door, but the project was abandoned. Today, and since 2016, the chapel hosts concerts thanks to its 600-seat auditorium. If you want to discover this place, I recommend that you go to the Rouen Opera website to attend a concert.